Hi, I'm Brian from Sarasota Ford. With the risk of coronavirus spreading and our community being asked to engage in social distancing, avoiding crowds of 10 or more, and staying home as much as possible, we've added an additional solution to help address your vehicle service needs without you having to leave your house or workplace. While we've implemented the medically recommended health precautions at our store, as we continue our in-store vehicle service operations, we're excited to announce that we've expanded our service capabilities by launching MobileService, which is a convenient option for you to have your oil changed, brakes serviced, tires rotated, and other services done right at your home and workplace by a certified technician. Think of it as delivery for your automotive service needs. If you'd like to take advantage of Sarasota Ford's MobileService, please call us at 941-806-5100 and schedule a technician to come to your house or location that works best for you. And more importantly, stay safe and healthy during this time. We'll get through this, and once we do, I'm confident our local community will rally back stronger than ever. Thank you.